Hello everyone, welcome to another GoDaddy tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how you can go and how you can basically change primary domain on GoDaddy. Now, this is going to be a very quick tutorial. Before we get started, subscribe down below and let's get started. So first of all, you need two different things. Before you follow these steps, if the domain you want to make primary is currently listed as a secondary domain name, you must first remove that domain name from your Windows hosting account. Now, second of all, if you have an SSL currently installed on your primary domain name, you must remove the SSL prior to changing your primary domain. Now, make sure you have those two right here. Then, after you have those two, go to your GoDaddy product page, which is in your GoDaddy login. Just log in into your GoDaddy dashboard and then you have product page. Select web hosting, and next to the Windows hosting account, you want to use select manage. And basically this is for all the hosting accounts. You can just go and click manage, and in the account dashboard in the settings section, account tab, next to primary domain name, select change. This is how it's going to look like right here. This is how you will be able to go and change the primary domain on GoDaddy. Then select another domain from your account or enter another domain or subdomain. And this is note, if you enter another domain or subdomain, you must update your DNS record to the specific IP address. Then select change domain, and then that is pretty much it. This process again may take up to 24 hours, even though for me it took under 12 hours. So this is pretty much what you need to do in order to go and change your primary domain on GoDaddy. Now, if you have any questions or maybe comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.